Hi everyone, welcome back to Herzography. In this video, I just want to do a quick unboxing. I picked up this little SmallRig tripod. It is the CT195 and thought we would unpack it together so we can kind of take a look at the different features that this tripod has together. So let's go ahead and look at it. This tripod is also called the Free Blazer Aluminum Alloy Video Tripod. I know I normally always go with carbon fiber, but this tripod is going to be something that I'm just going to use in my home studio, so I'm not as concerned about the weight of it. This tripod is $160 and has a maximum height of 72.8 inches, so it's got the right height that I need. Comes in this great little carrying case, which is really nice and fits it actually very well. So let's see what we have in here. So this comes with a number of different other accessories. If I can just kind of find them. I know they're in here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Little Velcro package. That's kind of neat out on the side. So it comes with the little spiked feet and a couple of Allen wrenches, of course, and your little manual. So now let's take a look at the tripod itself, and I'm just going to put this aside here. All right, so this tripod comes with a head and a center column. It's all packed really nice and very well protected. It looks like the legs are inverted here, so we'll just kind of swing them into the right position for looking at this and bring the center column down a bit. Now let's take a look at the head. Once again, packaged really well. And so we'll take a look. The legs, they come all the way up and then come down, but they don't click into place like I'm kind of used to, but that's okay. We'll just put them in the proper position here. You can see on the center column there's a nice hook on the bottom for hanging a bag or maybe a rock bag or something. So now let's take a look at the features on this tripod head combination. Since this is for using a lot of video, it does have a handle over here, and the handle itself, yeah, it has telescoping options here, so you can make that longer, which is great. Oh, I see. Okay, so it kind of has little clicks there, and then you put it in position. So that's kind of neat. And this can be on either side. The handle can. It is very smooth in its turning, and once again, you can see that it has a nice snap back. And they've just manufactured it so that this clears, so this little gear doesn't, the level doesn't hit the head. So that's really nice, and it is dampened really well. So I don't have to worry about the camera, any kind of camera flop. And of course, here's the 360 rotation. It tilts, it shows 90 degrees plus or minus, which is really nice. And it is Arca-Swiss compatible, so it does come with a plate, which is really nice, and it's actually marked. It's got a couple of nice marked indent lines here, probably for center and different positions, so you can make sure it goes back in the same location. It's got a nice little level over here, and this head does have a capacity of 11 pounds or 5 kilograms. 11 pounds isn't a lot, but considering I'm just going to use this in the studio and not out in the field, I'm not concerned about wind or the elements. The legs do go in and out very smoothly. This is something that I always test, of course, on a new tripod, as well as if I have to take the legs apart and do some cleaning after being in water or sand. So that all works really well. So far, so good. And it looks like there's a Oh yeah, so this kind of gives you a nice lock for if you want to do a vertical or a horizontal. I personally wouldn't recommend this for doing a pano, even though I guess you could, but you might have some stitching issues. But it's a nice option that if you didn't have an L plate on your camera, which of course I always recommend, so if you're doing a vertical you would mount it in this way versus horizontal, but if you didn't have the L plate, this gives you a nice option to be able to just flip it up and it locks into place. Once again, very nice feature on here for that. So all of that looks pretty nice and very smooth. Comes with a nice quick little handle here. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, one thing that, and once again, I'm not exactly sure how to do this because it wasn't a reason why I purchased it, but you can take off two of the legs, and so then it becomes a monopod that does go up all the way to a little over 6 feet. So that can be very handy for those who would be out in the field and want that capability of being able to change that from a tripod to a monopod. And so far I am pretty impressed with this. It is very nice and feels like it is very well made and very smooth. So that is about it for this tripod, and I'll just be giving it a little bit of use around here, and I'll let you know how it all works out. It does come with those spike feet, which is very nice because you just unscrew the bottom feet and screw those in if you need to. But other than that, this looks like a very well-made tripod by SmallRig. My first one by SmallRig, and very impressed with how well made and smooth it is. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks again for joining me here on Herzography, and I hope you give this video a like and subscribe to see future videos. Thanks again. Bye for now.